Young lady, you have tricked us.
True, but still. She must be a magical creature, or the barrier would have kept her out. Now tell me, Bloom, why didn't you give us your real name?
Well,
Ma'am, this whole thing was my idea.
It's okay, Stella. I come from a small town on planet Earth called...
Outside the realm of magics? Utterly impossible.
I beg you, don't send me away. I've always wanted to be a fairy with all my heart, and now I can make my dream come true.
You lied to us, and that is unforgivable.
But she also has a dream, and she totally believes in it. She has displayed a great tenacity, and isn't that a quality that every fairy should possess?
Yes, ma'am.
Now go get into bed. And don't make a noise.
Yes, ma'am!
I didn't think there were any fairies left on Earth.
Me neither. I thought they'd all disappeared centuries ago.
Yeah, well, but who's Bloom?